This machine's rubbish. What's it doing? There's a lot of noise, but no action, baby. Nice. Oh look, it's a 10-year warranty. Thanks, Maytag. You're awesome. I think you should be doing more than that to agitate the washing, don't you? What's the fix, people? No, nothing. Is it going to burst into flames? Do I need a fire extinguisher on standby? What a pile of soggy clothing not getting washed. Is that it? Is that what you're going to do? Maybe I put it on ultra light load so it doesn't touch the washing and damage it. No, it's on extra heavy. You do nothing. Because the belt fell off or something, didn't it?